Good afternoon, my dear children. This is L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear children, today we are going to start economics chapter first, that is, topic is the story of village Palampur. The story of village Palampur is a hypothetical village, that is an imaginary village located in western part of Uttar Pradesh. This story will provide us a lot of information and knowledge related to the village life. That's why this story has been named as the story of village Palampur. How do the people survive there? What types of livelihood located in this village? How do they fulfill their requirement? They do their trades and their daily activities. All these things are mentioned here. Through discussion of this video, we shall get much more thing. So it's better for us to start it. First, overviews. The purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concepts relating to production, and this we do through a story of a hypothetical village called Palampur, related to the production in the villages. The concept is there. This story will give much more information about the production of the village. Farming is the main activity in Palampur, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. But the main activity is their farming, and all these activities, that is dairy, manufacturing, scale, they are side activities as compared to the farming activity, are carried out on a limited scale. These production activities need various types of resources: natural resources, man-made items, human effort, money, etc. For any economic activities, there is need of different types of resources, including natural resources, man-made items, human efforts, money, etc. All these things are required before starting anything. As we read through the story of Palampur, we will learn how various resources combine to produce the desired goods and services in the village. Now let's watch. Introduction. First of all, Palampur is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. Raiganj, a big village. This village is well connected to the neighboring villages. Neighboring villages, Raiganj, away 3 kilometers from Palampur. And all weather road connects the village to Raiganj and further on to the nearest small town of Shahpur. Not only that, it connects many weather roads, branches of the roads which connect different part of the neighboring villages, including the market, that is nearest small town Shahpur. Many kinds of transport are visible on this road, starting from bullock carts, tangas, buggies, loaded with jaggery. All these types of transport facility available there. They use means this type of transport we use in previous time, in ancient times, or in medieval time also. That is bullock carts, बैलगाड़ी है, टांगा है, खच्चर घोड़े से चलाया जाता है, बग्गीज है, वुडन कार्ड का लकड़ी का बना हुआ होता है जो बैल से चलता है. एंड पीपल कैरी द लोड्स ऑफ जैगरी, गुड़ जिसको कहते हैं, ये वहाँ की बहुत फेमस और ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटी, फार्मिंग एक्टिविटी है. एंड अदर कमोडिटीज़ टू मोटर व्हीकल्स लाइक मोटरसाइकिल्स, जीप्स, ट्रैक्टर्स एंड ट्रक्स. All these commodities are also there. This village has about 450 families belonging to several different castes. The 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. The population of this village is about 450 families. They belong from different castes. 80 upper caste families own the majority of the land in the village. इसमें से 80 अपर कास्ट फैमिली है जिनके पास जो है गांव में ज़मीनें ज़्यादा हैं. देयर हाउसेस, सम ऑफ देम क्वाइट लार्ज, आर मेड ऑफ ब्रिक विथ सीमेंट प्लास्टरिंग. The SCs comprise 1/3 of the population and live in one corner of the village and in much smaller houses, some of which are of mud and straw. कहीं कहीं पर मड और स्ट्रा है, कीचड़ है, कहीं पर तमाम जो है स्ट्रा रखे हुए हैं, भूसा है, पुआल है, इस तरह की चीज़ें. इनके मकान जो है बड़े बड़े हैं, ब्रिक से बने हुए हैं, सीमेंट से प्लास्टर्ड हैं. एससी जो दलित हैं, इनका जो पॉपुलेशन है वो तीसरे नंबर पर है और गांव के किसी कोने में रहते हैं. इनके घर अच्छे नहीं हैं, कीचड़ स्ट्रा के हैं, जैसे घास फूस की मकानें हैं, वो मड एंड स्ट्रा की बनी हुई, जैसे घास फूस की मकानें हैं यहाँ, इससे मतलब है. मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउसेज है इलेक्ट्रिक कनेक्शंस. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर्स all the tube wells in the fields and is used in various types of small business. Palampur has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary where the sick are treated. Number 1, the description above shows that Palampur has fairly well developed system of road, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools and health center. Compare these facilities with those in your nearby village. You can compare this facility from your near villages. किस तरह की सुविधाएं आपके गांव के पास में है. गांव वाले स्कूल, गांव में कितने जो है, यहाँ पर प्राइमरी स्कूल है, यहाँ पर हेल्थ सेंटर है जो सरकारी है, प्राइवेट डिस्पेंसरीज भी हैं. यहाँ पर लोग आते हैं, वहाँ ट्रीटमेंट करवाते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से भरा हुआ गांव है, बिजली कनेक्शन है यहाँ पर, मतलब वेल इक्विप्ड विलेज यू कैन से दैट इज. द स्टोरी ऑफ पालमपुर एन इमेजिनरी विलेज विल टेक अस थ्रू द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज इन द विलेज. In villages across India, farming is the main production activity. The other production activities include small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. We shall take a look at both these types of activities after learning a few general things about production. Now, organization of production. Production का organization कैसा है? The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. Really, this is the aim of the production. कि प्रोडक्शन का यही एम होता है कि उस सामान और सर्विस को प्रोवाइड करना जो हम चाहते हैं, जिन्हें हम चाहते हैं. देयर आर 4 रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. 4 रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या क्या हैं प्रोडक्शन और गुड्स के लिए? द फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट इज लैंड. पहला तो लैंड है. एंड अदर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज सच एज वाटर, forest, minerals. These 4 essential requirements are there necessary for us. The second requirement is labor, that is people who will do the work. Some production activities require highly educated workers to perform the necessary tasks. Other activities require workers who can do manual work. Each worker is providing the labor necessary for production. The third requirement is physical capital, that is the variety of inputs required at every stage during production. What are the items that come under physical capital? We shall learn more about human capital in the next chapter. In the picture, identify the land, labor and fixed capital used in production. इसमें हम देख सकते हैं एक फैक्ट्री है, बहुत सारे लेबरर्स इसमें काम करते हैं और इसमें ज़मीन, लेबर और फिक्स कैपिटल प्रोडक्शन में यूज़ किया जाता है. फैक्ट्री लगाने के लिए ज़मीन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, कैपिटल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, लेबर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. देयर इज सोफिस्टिकेटेड मशीन्स सच एज जनरेटर्स, टर्बाइन्स, कंप्यूटर्स एक्सेट्रा. टूल्स, मशीन्स, बिल्डिंग्स कैन बी यूज्ड इन प्रोडक्शन ओवर मैनी ईयर्स and are called fixed capital, that is the fixed capital. Number B, raw materials and money in hand. Production requires a variety of raw materials such as the yarn used by the weaver and the clay used by the potter. Also, some money is always required during production to make payment and buy other necessary items. Raw materials and money in hand are called working capital. Unlike tools, machines and buildings, these are used up in production. There is a fourth requirement too. You will need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together man, labor and physical capital and produce an output either to use yourself or to sell in the market. This these days is called human capital. Now, let us see, land is fixed. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. 75% of the people who are working are dependent on farming for their livelihood. यहाँ की जो मेन एक्टिविटी है, प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी जो फार्मिंग है पालमपुर की, नियर अबाउट 75% पीपल जो वर्किंग पीपल हैं इस पर डिपेंडेंट हैं, दैट इज फार्मिंग, एंड दे लीड देयर livelihood. They could be farmers or farm laborers. The well-being of these people is closely related to production on the farms. But remember that there is a basic constant in raising farm production. Land or under cultivation is practically fixed. Since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. By then, some of the wastelands in the village had been converted to cultivable land. There exists no further scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. Number 2, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? क्या कोई ऐसा रास्ता है, कोई ऐसा तरीका है कि उसी ज़मीन पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम प्रोडक्शन ले सकें? In the kind of crops grown and facilities available, Palampur resembles a village of the western part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. All land is cultivated in Palampur. No land is left idle. जो पालमपुर में ज़मीनें हैं सब पर कल्टीवेशन होता है, कोई भी खाली ज़मीन, आइडल ज़मीन नहीं छोड़ी जाती है. रेनी सीजन में जैसे खरीफ की जो फसल है, फार्मर्स ग्रो जवार एंड बाजरा. दीज प्लांट्स आर यूज्ड एज कैटल फीड. इसको हम कैटल फीड कहते हैं. इट इज़ फॉलोड बाय कल्टीवेशन ऑफ पोटैटो बिटवीन अक्टूबर एंड दिसंबर. In the winter season, fields are sown with wheat. From the wheat produce, farmers keep enough wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat larger areas of land more effectively. The first few tea wells were installed by the government. Soon, however, farmers started setting up private wells. As a result, by mid-1970s, the entire cultivated area of 200 hectares was irrigated. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. जब हम एक सीजन में एक से ज़्यादा फसल को लेते हैं तो उसको मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग कहते हैं. इट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन वे ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग प्रोडक्शन ऑन ए गिवन पीस ऑफ लैंड. ऑल फार्मर्स इन पालमपुर ग्रो एट लीस्ट two main crops, that is traditional crops. Many are growing potatoes as the third crop in the past 15 to 20 years. लास्ट 20 और 15 और 20 ईयर्स में हम देखते हैं तो बहुत सारे फार्मर्स पोटैटो और पोटैटो की खेती कर लेते हैं और भी जो जल्दी से सब्जियां तैयार हो जाती हैं उनकी खेती कर लेते हैं. और इस तरह से जो हमारी खरीफ और रबी की फसलें हैं इन दोनों के बीच में हम एक जो है कैश क्रॉप की फसल उगा लेते हैं पोटैटो की, जिसमें हमको बहुत अच्छा लाभ मिल जाता है. इस तरह से हमने देखा कि पालमपुर एक वेल इक्विप्ड विलेज है. सारी तरह की फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हैं यहाँ पर जो फार्मर्स को फैसिलिटेट करती हैं. मैनी डिस्कशन आर देयर इन कमिंग टॉपिक्स, कमिंग पॉइंट्स which we will discuss in the next video. next time. Till then, thank you.